This is another very cheap home in the region of Piedmont, which we love. It's a 120 square metre row house with 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms, which all have views of the surrounding countryside. We especially love the high dome ceilings and the beautiful woodwork on the doors and windows. It's about 30 kilometres from Lake Maggiore and Lake Orta, and about 85 kilometres from either Turin or Milan. This house is in very good condition, but if you're wondering why the asking price is so low, there could be several reasons. One is that it's quite remote and not accessible by public transport. Another might be that there are not many jobs in this area. Most importantly, there is no heating, so that's something which will need to be addressed. But with an asking price of just €23,000, hopefully that can be budgeted for and is an opportunity for a new owner to install the most modern, cost-effective and environmentally friendly system. There is also a large, open attic area, which could be converted into additional living space, especially for the summer months. The property also includes a small plot of land near the property, which you can see on the map, as well as a garage. If you like this property and have any questions, please contact the realtor directly. A link to their original listing and contact information can be found in the video notes below. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with more exceptional Italian homes under €150,000.